So we have to tread carefully as leaders. We need to make sure that we take people on the journey with us, that they are not afraid of this technology. And in fact, that we help them understand how it can help them get better at what they do, how it can help them spend time on meaningful tasks rather than just rote, repetitive, lower value tasks. I know of no one who wants to go home at the end of the day and not think it was a good day. I did good. I worked hard and I helped people. I sensed meaning. It was meaningful what I did today. From the lowest level security person, receptionist, administrator to the board, it's human nature. We want to feel that what we do is meaningful. We need to make sure that AI technologies help people to achieve that and to feel that way.